kinetics. This chemical kinetics is most important topic of the physical chemistry. This chemical kinetics contains there is a different types of the rate of reactions, mechanism, etc. The important characteristics of this chemical kinetics are first position of equilibrium, second one feasibility of reaction, and third is mechanism of reaction. These are the three important characteristics of the chemical kinetics. This chemical equilibrium is concerned with the concentration of the reactant and products at equilibrium, but not the concentration in the pathway between the initial to final state of the reaction. Initial to final state. This does not concern with the initial to final state of the reaction. The main important is the chemical kinetics, and this chemical kinetics is defined as definition of chemical kinetics. This chemical kinetics is defined as it is a branch of science which deals with the study of rate of reaction, mechanism of the reaction, as well as the progress of the reaction and the factors affecting on the rate of the reaction is studied. The branch of the physical chemistry is called as a chemical kinetics. Note that kinesis, this is a Greek word. Kinesis means movement. This is a Greek word. Kinesis, movement. Chemical movement means the chemical kinetics. The next part is a rate of reaction. Rate of reaction is defined as rate of reaction Rate of reaction is defined as how the reactants are converted into the products per unit time interval, and therefore this rate of reaction is depending upon the time interval is classified into the two types. First is average rate, and second one instantaneous rate. In this case, the average rate time interval is taken as a larger quantity, that is the delta t, and in case of the instantaneous rate, this delta is replaced by d, that is the very small interval of the time. The rate of reaction contains these two types of the rate. The first is the average rate. Average rate is defined as average rate. This average rate is defined as change in concentration of the species per unit time interval, and therefore mathematically it is represented as average rate equal to change in concentration of species divided by time interval. Change in concentration of the species upon time interval, and this is equal to the changes are larger, therefore concentration delta C divided by delta T. Consider, for example, consider a reaction A to B. In this case, the rate of consumption of A becomes equal to the rate of formation of B. It is represented as average rate of consumption of A equal to minus delta concentration of A divided by delta T, and average rate of formation of B equal to plus delta concentration of B divided by delta T. In this case, average rate of the consumption of A is the reactant, and the concentration of A goes on decreasing and is indicated by using the negative sign. Average rate of formation of B equals to the plus sign indicates increase in the concentration of this product B. Therefore, average rate of reaction equal to minus delta concentration of A divided by delta T equal to plus delta concentration of B upon delta T, and this is a expression for the average rate. The unit of this average rate is moles unit, moles per liter per second, or moles per dm cube per second, or molarity per second. These are the three units are used in case of the average rate.